started as a driver with Clean. I then moved on to be a transport team leader. My name's Leigh Sparks. I'm the Interim Transport Manager at Clean Yeovil. A vacancy became available in the transport office. It was a role that I was interested in when I first joined Clean. A typical day in the role of an Interim Transport Manager, I oversee the team leaders. I have to keep the vehicles compliant. I'm making sure that the team leaders are doing gate checks, walk around checks with the drivers, making sure stuff is not left behind. I also get involved in managerial meetings and requesting PO numbers for maintenance stuff for the vehicles. Being part of the team at Clean has been very rewarding. I believe it is one of the best teams that I've worked for. We have good rapport. People are friendly. It is just a very nice environment to come to work to.